So let's come to ServiceNow certifications.
Mm.
So what weightage clients are giving to certifications when they ask for recruitments
Mm.
with respect to ServiceNow?
Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, absolutely. I think ServiceNow certifications are important,
Okay.
especially if you are new to the industry. You know, it's your first step. I think if you can get into with a company who's going to offer you training and support to get those certifications, I would say take it hands down. I mean, obviously, you want to start with the foundation. So you want to start with the CSA. That is
Okay.
the foundation that you want to start with. And there's the ServiceNow platform, like the certification program, it's brilliant because what it does, it teaches you the foundations. It gives you opportunities to learn. And you know what? They getting your certifications. What it does, it tells a future employer that look, at least you done the homework, right? You've gone out, you've learned it, you've spent time. So even if you don't have experience right now, if you've got the certifications, it's one step, one foot on the ladder, if that makes sense. So
Yeah.
yeah, I would say they are highly in demand. And to be honest with you, most employers do request them because simply it is like a badge of honor, right? It means that you've done the work. They can be confident that you know the theory behind it, and even if you don't have commercial experience, at least they know you've done that part, so then they can build on those foundations quite easily. So yeah, I would say, and to be honest with you, most employers give opportunities to learn, and a lot of employees have access to the training platform.
Right.
So if they give you that opportunity to have like access to it, I would say where you have the time, do as much as you can, because it really will help your career.
Great. So
Mm.
certifications are very important, and
Yeah,
clients are
definitely.
looking into it, looking for it.